Good morning and welcome to my FinTax Chronicles for today, 3rd June 2025. Economic Outlook. Factory activity slows. India's May factory PMI fell to 3-month low due to inflation, conflict. Small hydro push. Government to subsidize 30% of cost for small hydro projects to promote clean energy. India eyes MRO hub. PM aims to make India $4 billion MRO hub by 2030 with FDI, GST cuts. Legal developments. Golden Tobacco relief. NCLAT removes audit, restores RP in Golden Tobacco insolvency case. Assam deportation upheld. SC rejects plea against Assam's illegal migrant deportation drive. Banking and finance. Microfinance NPA cleanup. 2,440 crore rupees bad loans written off by microlenders to improve asset books. 6 seeks Agar relief. Vodafone Idea CEO says SC observations may ease Agar dues pressure. TDSAT favors telcos. Told to levy SUC only on shared spectrum bands, not entire holdings. EPF transfer notice. EH warns equity holders of share transfer due to unclaimed dividends. Insurance revenue rises. LIC's income from investments up 6.7% YoY, premium collection strong. Corporate finance. Torrent BP LNG deal. Torrent signs LNG supply pact for 0.41 MMT-year with BP Singapore till 2036. Manipal gets KKR loan. KKR injects $600 million debt into Manipal Group for expansion strategy. Godrej land buy. Godrej Properties acquires 14-acre Pune plot for new development. Udaan secures $114 MN. B2B platform Udaan raises $114 million in Series G round for FMCG growth. Glenmark cancer breakthrough. New drug ISB 2001 shows promise in early-stage myeloma trial data. Reliance tech leader. Reliance, only Indian firm in global top 30 tech firms, ranks 23rd. International affairs. Tesla skips CV plan. Tesla yet to apply for India EV scheme, global peers show strong interest. Turkey tensions ignored. Indian firms continue Turkey OPS despite geopolitical strains with Ankara. Tax and compliances. Stamp duty record. Mumbai collects 1,062 crore rupees in May stamp duty, highest ever for the month. Adani denies violation. Adani denies importing Iranian LPG amid US DOJ scrutiny. Investments and finance. Nissan exports surge. Nissan exports rise 66% in FY25 to 71,334 units, aims 1 lakh by 2027. AI transit strategy. Air India revamps hubs to capture 130 MN plus eye-to-eye transit traffic over India. ATR, Embraer local plans. ATR, Embraer signal readiness to set up Indian plants with order traction. Zydus gets USDA nod. Zydus gets tentative USDA approval for rifaximin tablets. Cosmo expands output. Cosmo first launches new BOP packaging line in Aurangabad facility. Financial markets. Sensex, Nifty dip. Sensex falls 77 points to 81,374, Nifty down 34 to 24,717 amid global cues. Gold price surges. Gold jumps 1,320 rupee to 96,293 rupee per 10 grams amid global safe haven demand. Oil India starts gas. Oil India begins production at Rajasthan Bakra Tibba gas block. NMDC iron output rises. NMDC's May iron ore production up 89% YoY to 4.43 million tons. Desai on market premium. Morgan Stanley's Desai says India premium precedes domestic fund boom.